Hello, my name is Permata Rachmadani from 12 Science 3. So today and here I will explain maybe practice about some in order of final test. I will explain about how to make dragon fruit juice. So without further anymore, let's practice how to make it.
So here's the ingredients to make dragon fruit juice. First, we need dragon fruit, but just one. But if you want, I actually I just need a half of this, a half of it. But if you want to make one portion of juice, one glass of juice, I just need a half of it. But if you want to make it uh, a lot, you can use 2 or 3 dragon fruit. And we have milk, a creamer milk, 1 sachet, and then water, 1 glass, and then maybe it's about 200 milli. And now we have spoon, knife, a blender, of course, and a glass. Okay, let's make it. Okay, the step first is you have to cut buah naga into half. Just cut it like this. Oh, I don't want some messy here, like this. And then second, mid off the dragon fruit like this with spoon. Awesome. Third, now we have water. Put in the water, pour in the water into the blender. If you want to make it watery, just pour it all, but I don't want to make it watery, so I just add some. And then put the blender on the machine until quick. And we have the lid, put on the lid. And now I have to blender it. Blender it, just maybe you have to blender about 10 seconds or 15 seconds, that's enough. And then pause. And now take off the head of blender. Make it. And next step is now pour the juice into the glass. And add some milk. Pour it at the top of this. Okay, that's enough. If you want to add it more, just add it more. I don't like too sweet. So. And stir it. If you want to add some ice, you can add it,
but I want to make it fresh, so I don't want to use ice. Finally, the dragon fruit juice are ready prepared. So this is ready to serve, and you can drink it. That's all my practice today. So it's easy, right? And try to make uh, dragon fruit juice at home. It's very healthy and it's very easy to make it. Okay, so that's all for today. Bye bye. See you again.